Eric with Lang Technovation Company. Today we're going to walk you through Lang Makro-Grip stamping for your first operation and some of our second operation options in soft jaws. One of the challenges that you'll face with work holding and workpiece preparation for 5-axis machining is largely going to be, if it's done incorrectly, it can get expensive. It can add operations, unnecessary operations, and it can be largely inefficient. Accessibility is one of our primary concerns, accessing all 5 sides of this workpiece without jeopardizing holding power. Traditional clamping devices tend to make that difficult. They require more material for a safe, smooth face clamp. And a lot of times you can have accessories like workpiece stoppers that cut off certain sides of the workpiece. A largely accepted way to solve that in the industry has always been with a dovetail cut. Dovetails work, but they require a machinist, they require a machine tool, and sometimes extra material. Another big concern when we get into work holding and workpiece preparation is the reliability of the process, especially for companies that are hoping to transition this work holding into lights out or automated manufacturing. Process reliability becomes a key concern. Especially in hard material, fixtures like these self-centering vices are great, but if we're using that serrated tooth of that self-centering vise to cut and hold in hard material enough times, things start to wear and we lose that reliable process that's going to be real key to successfully manufacturing with the lights out. Fortunate for us, we can address all these concerns with the Lang Makro-Grip stamping unit and with a patented Formclosure technology. In a nutshell, we're going to pre-stamp the tooth contour of our vice jaw on less than 3mm material, and we're going to do it offline. So now we don't require a machinist or a machine tool to make this ready for manufacturing. We only require 3mm material to make this system work. So the benefit there is there's tremendous material savings involved. It's a simple machine. So the different skill levels that we can train to use this machine give us a lot of options. They let us redeploy some of our more key staff to other more value-added areas or tasks. In a nutshell, we're going to pre-stamp the workpiece. As you can see, that was really quick, and our workpiece comes off, and we have that tooth contour now, and we're ready to load that workpiece into our Makro-Grip vise. Once in the vise, you get a good sense of the type of accessibility we're talking about. We've got the accessibility of a traditional dovetail cut. We're going to achieve the holding power of a traditional dovetail cut. But again, we're doing that on significantly less material and in a fraction of the time. The machine, as you see it, is robust, it's rigid, so it's built to last. It'll certainly stand the test of time. You've got visible oil display, easy read gauges, pneumatic and hydraulic quick connect fittings. So the machine's really easy to maintain, and in my experience, that typically translates into a nice consistent process. Adjusting for the workpiece is really, really fast. We've got easy pressure control here on just this simple knob. We've got a nice, safe Macrolon protective shield. We've got a easy to read workpiece stop, hand or foot operation. That's a simple and safe alternative to cutting dovetails. So we've got our workpiece in our Makro-Grip vise, and with this accessibility, we're going to cut all 5 sides. Now, what about our second operation? Now it's time to flip that workpiece over, mill off our clamping step, and finish the 6th side of that part. Lang actually offers 3 really nice solutions for this part of the process. The first and arguably most popular would be our Avanti quick soft jaw exchange. Oh, I better get a wrench for that, excuse me. We're just going to give a locking screw a quarter turn, and that's going to give us the ability to load and unload our soft jaws remarkably fast. This takes advantage of a hardened base jaw, and then a steel or aluminum top jaw where we can machine our profile, contour, or diameter into. Along with Avanti, there's the Profilo soft jaw system. Same concept, hardened carrier jaw, machinable steel or aluminum top jaw. This particular solution is going to require 4 screws, either through the bottom of the jaw or through the top of the machined soft jaw portion into the carrier jaw. The real benefit of this system is because you have access to this interface, you can use it to make some really cool fixture concepts on top of the vise. Dedicated fixturing that might open and close while the vise opens and closes. Last but not least is our Vario Tech pin positioning system. If the result of our first op is a nice flat square workpiece, then we could take advantage of the Vario Tech system by pushing in the pins we're not going to use and extending the pins with compressed air that we do want to use to either create a parallel, create an end stop, maybe a 45-degree angle. It gives us the ability to change through that very, very quickly. Everything's 100% interchangeable with the same vise base. So although I have my vise here with these grip jaws, I can simply reverse these off. And like I said, these jaws here are interchangeable with the same vise base. So the customer can, for your manufacturing facility, you can buy whichever vise you feel you use most and then pick up these extra jaws as an accessory. It's a great cost saver. Gets us away from having to have all different work holding or different vices for all those different clamping scenarios. So again, main concerns when we're talking about workpiece preparation or clamping for 5-axis machining is going to be getting that accessibility without jeopardizing the holding power and doing it efficiently, doing it with cost savings in mind. Systems like these should reduce your costs, they shouldn't increase them.